Hi everyone, this is G. Shamka from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, and today we are here to explain. Means today here we are to know something about Spearman's rank correlation, which is a main part of correlation. Correlation. First, we will introduce with what is correlation. Correlation means it is the quantity which describes the relation between two series, means two different series, which states the relation between two separate series, means which can be, means this correlation can be, means we can find out this correlation using a correlation constant r, which can be find using various methods. In those various methods, this Spearman's rank correlation is one of the method. Now we will get into the topic. Yeah, first we'll know what is a Spearman's rank. Okay, correlation. The Spearman's rank order correlation is the non-parametric version of the Spearman's Pearson product moment correlation. This Pearson product moment correlation is the major method used by the nowadays children to calculate the correlation constant. So this is non-parametric version of the Pearson product moment correlation. Spearman's correlation coefficient rho, also signified by Rs. Here normally R is correlation constant and Rs is Spearman's correlation coefficient. Means separately this Spearman's correlation coefficient is considered. Measures this Spearman's correlation coefficient measures the strength and direction of association between two ranked variables. Means these variables will have the series of values, means simply we can say it is a variable. Yeah, now you need two variables that are either ordinal, interval or ratio. See our types of variable guide. Yeah, now although you would normally hope to use a Pearson product moment correlation on interval or ratio data, the Spearman correlation can be used when the assumptions of the Pearson correlation are markedly violated. However, Spearman's correlation determines the strength and the direction of the monotonic relationship. The monotonic relationship means only single direction, either positive or negative or in any direction, straight direction. This is the main meaning of the monotonic relationship. If this is the graph, then direct only constantly increasing, or like this in a parabolic way or any another way, but only one direction, then it is called as a monotonic relationship. Means it has only mono direction, single direction. This is the main meaning of monotonic relationship. Means here two variables, this is another variable, this is another variable. This such way we can calculate what is monotonic and non-monotonic solution relationship between two variables rather than the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two variables, which is what Pearson's correlation determines. Now, what is a monotonic relationship? Just now I have said that what is the simple meaning of the monotonic relationship. A monotonic relationship is the relationship that does one of the following: as the value of variable increases, so does the value of other variable, or as the value of one variable increases, the other variable value decreases. Means the graph indirectly represents the constant increasing or constant decreasing. This is the primary meaning of this statement. And now Spearman's correlation measures the strength and direction of monotonic association between two variables. Monotonicity is less restrictive than that of a linear relationship. Means monotonic relationship is more considerable, means it will be more easily to calculate. For example, the middle image shows, middle image in the sense, the normal monotonic solution. The normal monotonic solution itself is the meaning. Now see definition of Spearman's rank order correlation. The main definition, see, there are two methods to calculate Spearman's correlation. constant depending on whether your data does not have tied ranks, your data has tied ranks. Means based on our data, the given data, the calculation of Spearman's constant is dependent. See, if you have two, there will be two types of data. One data can have tied ranks and another cannot have tied ranks. Based on that, the formula will be changed. The formula for when there are no tied ranks means there are no such ranks, tied ranks with the given values of variable. See, rho means here the correlation constant. The Spearman's correlation constant is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma di square by n into n square minus 1. Yeah, where di is the difference in paired ranks. This paired ranks means there is, and n is the number of cases, means total number of cases, means total number of values of the variable. The formula used when there are tied ranks when they have given tied ranks to the given variable values, then rho is equal to sigma I xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. Here xi and yi are the values of general, all values of the variable, and x bar and y bar are the mean of the x series and y series. If we consider x and y are two variables and those have so many values. Now sigma xi minus x bar by yi minus y bar by root over sigma of xi minus x bar whole square into yi sigma of yi minus y bar whole square. See, we'll go to the one example which we can, through which we can have a good grip, means we will get a good mm, grip on the topic calculation of Spearman's correlation constant. See, to calculate a rank order, Spearman's rank order correlation on the data without any tides, means here in this question there are no tides used. We will use the following data. See, there are in this question there are given two subjects and their marks. Subjects are the variables and the marks are the values of the variables. See, these are the values. So we'll go into the topic. See, English marks and maths marks. Rank of English and maths, it's generally we can give ranking method, means which has the highest value, then it will be rank 1, and which has the lowest value, then it will be the rank lowest rank. Means here in this English in the English, 80 marks is the highest, so that it got 80 as one first rank. Likewise, see here D is equal to difference of two ranks, as we said just before. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. 10 minus 10, 0. 4 minus 7, 3. Likewise, if you calculate D, there will be a list of values of D, and through which we can calculate D square. Now, where D is the difference between ranks and D square is the difference squared, when we calculate the following, sigma di square means sum of all the d square values. If we calculate, we get 54. We then substitute into the main equation with other information as follows. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma di square by n into n square minus 1. See, if you calculate if you place the value of di square is sigma di square is equal to 54 and n is equal to 10, then we will get last correlation constant by the followed calculations. Rho is equal to 0.67. See, as n is equal to 10, hence we have a rho or rs of 0.67. This indicates a positive relationship, very positive, strong positive relationship between the ranks individuals obtained in the maths and English exam, means through which we can correlate two values, two variables. This is called main intention of correlation concept. See, that is, the higher you ranked in maths, the higher you ranked in the English also, and vice versa. There can be chance of getting equally high or equally low, means there will be a directly proportional relation. Now, how you report a Spearman's correlation coefficient depends on whether or not you have determined the statistical significance of the coefficient. If you have simply run the Spearman correlation without any statistical signification test, you are able to simply state the value of state the value of coefficient as shown in the below. Means rho is equal to coefficient, or RZ RS is equal to coefficient. Example, rho is equal to 0.67 is directly implies the RS is equal to 0.67 according to the above condition. Now, however, if you have also run statistical significance test, you need to include some more information as shown in the below. Means if he give in the problem, if he gives the statistical signification test, then you have to go further into the topic. Means rho of df is equal to p, rho coefficient comma p is equal to p value, rho of 8 is equal to 0.67 comma p value is equal to 0.33, where df is equal to n minus 2 and n is equal to number of pairwise cases. Thank you. I think, I mean, this is the end of the topic. Means how we can calculate or correlate with using Spearman's correlation constant. Thank you.